envelope.
We're going to be making crystals.
Can I put everything that you need?
Now bend your pipe cleaner into any shape you want, and while you're bending, have an adult boil your water.
This is my shape. Fly. Was that
And
cute?
this is my flower. When it's boiling, you will tie your string to your pipe cleaner. We're going to start by adding 4 tablespoons of borax into our jar.
Ask your parents to help.
Pour your boiling water into your jar. Start by pouring 1 cup. Stir to dissolve your borax. Is dissolved, put your pipe cleaner in.
See what happens. Oh, it looks like mine is big. Whoa.
Make sure your pipe cleaner is completely covered by the water and is not touching the sides.
Let your crystal form again. Set it overnight.
As you can see, our crystals have already started to form.
Look at how our crystals turned out.
Look at mine.
Look at mine.
This is red.
Yeah. And we made them. Like our crystals, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell.